Hello children, welcome to video classes, and I'm really happy that you're watching this video children. And in the previous videos we have been discussing a lesson, a beautiful story, Tippity the flying squirrel. And I really hope that you all have understood and you all have enjoyed reading and listening the story. Tippity the flying squirrel. That was a very wonderful and beautiful story of Tippity. Okay, children. And in this particular video class, I would like to share the classwork of the particular lesson, Tippity the flying squirrel. Okay, children. Before I further go, let's get started at today's video class. Okay, children. Yes. So here we have a read to understand. Answer the questions with a reference to the context. So here we have a context. So let's read the context. Tippity was the means of my solving a problem in natural history, regarding which a controversy raised for many months. So actually, this particular words by our author. Okay, children, and so here we have three questions which are following the particular context. Okay, children, I'll read the questions also. What was the mystery? How did the author solve the mystery? Why did the author want to solve the mystery? And see, children, here this particular context says about the particular hill, what we can call it as uh, nuts, hill nut, isn't it? So we'll just discuss and we'll have the answers, then you can easily understand. Let's read the first question. What was the mystery? What was the mystery the author is talking about? See, read to understand. The mystery that the author wanted to solve was whether it was the Himalayan nutcracker that was poking holes in the walnuts found in the Himalayas. I repeat, the mystery that the author wanted to solve was whether it was the Himalayan nutcracker was the poking holes in the walnuts found in the Himalayas. Okay, children. Yes. So see, warm up also I have given the answers. Actually, we already done the answers. We already done the exercises. Okay. That is why I'm not again teaching them. And the second question here we have, how did the author solve the mystery? How did the author solve the mystery? The author placed walnuts under a tree where a pair of nutcrackers used to come. The birds, they turned over the nuts but did not attempt to break them. After this, he collected a few nuts in which Tippity had already made holes and placed them under the same tree. Watching carefully, after some time, the birds came along and at once selected the bird walnut and began peckling at them and working their beaks inside the holes. So they were giving their signs, but actually the credit should goes to the squirrels. Okay, thus he solved the mystery of the Himalayan nutcracker. So the credit should not go to the Himalayan nutcracker, it had to go to the squirrels. Okay, children. And the third question here we have, what is the third question? Why did the author want to solve the mystery? And I repeat, why did the author want to solve the mystery? And the answer would be, the author wanted to solve the mystery because a controversy regarding it had been raging on for many months. And I repeat, the author wanted to solve the mystery because a controversy regarding it had been raging on for months. Okay, children, this is all about the read to understand. And let's move on to the next main. Answer these questions. Describe Tippity in your own words. Why did the writer find Tippity's nocturnal nature to be a drawback? Why would Tippity sometimes sneeze and splutter while drinking milk? So these three questions we will discuss in the video, and the remaining we will discuss later in the next video. Okay, children. And first question, describe Tippity in your own words. And let's see the answer. Tippity was a large red flying squirrel with a 2 feet long bushy tail. She was very proud of her bushy tail and loved to show it off. She was nocturnal, That is, she slept during the day and was lively and active during the night. Tippity would announce that she was awake by giving a low growl and doing a round of long, but not very graceful, jumps. She liked to eat puddings, stewed fruits, and walnuts, milk, and custard. Okay, children, and I repeat the answer, very interesting answer because it is about Tippity, the main character, isn't it? The flying squirrel. And I repeat, Tippity was a large red flying squirrel with a 2 feet long bushy tail. She was very proud of her bushy tail and loved to show it off. She was nocturnal, that means it is she slept during the day and was lively and active during the night. Tippity would announce that she was awake by giving a low growl and doing a round of long, but not very graceful jumps. She liked to eat puddings, stored fruits, walnuts, milk, and custard. Okay, children. And the second question, why did the writer find Tippity's nocturnal nature to be drawback? So that was only the minus that she had. Okay, the writer found Tippity's nocturnal nature to be a drawback because she was mostly active and lively when it was time for the authors to go to the bed at night, isn't it, children? That is why he said it was a drawback. And I repeat, the writer found Tippity's nocturnal nature to be a drawback because she was mostly active and lively when it was time for the authors to go to bed at night. So actually, if anyone disturbing in the nights, obviously we say that is the drawback. Okay. And the third question, why would Tippity sometimes sneeze and splutter while drinking milk? I repeat the question. Why would Tippity sometimes sneeze and splutter while drinking milk? And the answer would be, when Tippity would hurriedly sink her face into the saucer of milk to drink,